So the SunWize Power Ready Express systems that are shipped with solar modules that have MC4 cables also is accompanied by a large male and female cable. It's all one length, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut this into two pieces. So what we want to do is don't cut anywhere near the ends. What you're going to do is lay it out, find the midpoint. At that point you're going to cut the midpoint, and now you'll have two 15-foot cables, one for the positive and one for the negative. In this scenario, what we're going to do is take two 24-volt modules and connect them together so that we create a 48-volt array. So we're going to wire these in series, which means we're going to take the positive and the negative. We're going to connect those together. All right? So now the modules are connected. And then what we're going to do is take the output cable that we cut in half earlier, and we're going to connect the negative here and the positive here. And now your array is complete.